City of Anderson kicking off a new awareness campaign. 7 News reporter Asia Wilson shows us how they want to get everybody on board to try and slow the spread of this virus.
The City of Anderson has started the Anderson Strong Promise initiative to educate people about the importance of wearing face coverings. They will have their first of many pop-up events here at Carolina Wren Park tomorrow to educate people and give out 2,000 free face masks. With COVID-19 cases rising in the upstate, the City of Anderson wants to do its part to stop the virus in its tracks.
We wanted to look at and ask really our community to partner with us in helping us slow the spread of COVID-19.
They're kicking off Anderson Strong Promise, an initiative to promote safety and prevention during this pandemic.
We feel that through the awareness side of things and focusing on the outcome of really trying to change the social norm of encouraging people to wear face coverings as another way to prevent the spread of COVID-19.
This is in addition to a resolution passed by the city on Wednesday afternoon. It asks but not require people to wear face coverings, practice social distancing, and good hand washing.
So we took a different approach in the fact that the resolution is a public policy statement of council, but we want to partner with our community and public awareness.
The city plans to host a series of pop-up events in the coming weeks. They will give out free masks, t-shirts, and educational materials.
Tomorrow, we'll actually have a pop-up event at 1 o'clock p.m. at our Carolina Wren Park in downtown Anderson.
Whether you're out to eat or shopping at grocery stores, the city hopes people will join them in making a promise to form a stronger and healthier city together.
And we know they will make the promise to wear a face covering, maintain 6 feet apart from each other, and maintain social distancing, and wash their hands frequently.
Again, the first pop-up event will be here at Carolina Wren Park beginning at 1 o'clock. They're encouraging everyone to come out to get their free shirts and masks ahead of 4th of July weekend. In Anderson, Asia Wilson, 7 News.
Anderson's resolution asks people to wear face coverings in places like groceries and pharmacies and asks employees at stores, restaurants, and salons to wear masks as well.